in that tourism, there have been certain places that have been targeted in our neighborhoods. And to end, when we look at our neighborhoods and education as a conduit and a recruiting tool for Fortune 500 companies to actually send their kids, and now to remove the blight of these areas that they had struggled so many years to get rid of. So it's important to understand that connection, at the same time understanding this criminal intent to intentionally remove families from the city to make it more amenable to a more affluent, and not even whiter population, but more affluent, which happens to be white in the particular construct of the city. Because I want to complicate that because it's also a play to affluent families of color around school. But again, our main conduit and our baseline is those who have historically had the least are now being rationalized to get even less. And therein lie our human rights violation.